Hi everyone, my name is Christy and it is that wonderful time again when I get to unbag my monthly Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm going to be unbagging my April 2019 Ipsy Glam bag. I love getting my Ipsy Glam bag. Okay. How cute! I always get so excited about the cosmetic bags. This is heavy this month, but so adorable with the lemons on it. Oh, makes me feel like spring has sprung. But I also got an extra product this month. I have here the Yensa, is this open? No, luckily it's sealed because the cap is kind of coming off. The Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow 8 Super Blacks Essence. And I redeemed my points for this product this month. And so this says, even and brightens skin tone, natural radiant finish, blurs imperfections, enhances and prolongs foundation wear. So this sounds so nice. I'm really into trying out primers, which is why I chose this. And so if you're not aware, you can earn extra points that you can redeem for bonus products. So you can do that by referring friends. And you can also earn points by reviewing the products that you get in your bag each month on the Ipsy website. So I always make sure to do that. So I've built up some points that I was able to redeem for this product here. And this is a brand that I've never heard of, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. All right, so let's see what I got. It's this one here. So this is Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics Lip Oil, Color Infused Hydrating Oil. So I've actually tried out the Jelly Pong Pong brand before because I got another product in my Ipsy bag a little while ago, but ooh, this looks really pretty. I like the packaging. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Got a doe foot applicator. Oh, it kind of just seems like a tinted lip gloss. Here you can see, has nice shine. Wow, this smells so good. It smells like watermelon. Ooh, I really like that. I'm really looking forward to trying this out on my lips in an upcoming video. I almost forgot about my little pamphlet here. Oh, it's lip oil in watermelon. That's why it smells so amazing. But it says this lip oil is infused with safflower, coconut, and tomato oils to hydrate, nourish, and give your lips a shot of shine. Yes, my lips really need that. I'm so excited about it. Okay, the next product, nail polish from the brand Pretty Woman. This is in the shade Berry Wild. Ooh, what do you think it's gonna look like? Gorgeous. This is definitely a shade that I would pick out at like the nail salon. I love this color, and it's not like any color that I actually own. And I finally started painting my toenails since I'm starting to wear sandals again, and this is the perfect toenail color for me. Oh, I'm so excited about that, and I have never heard of this Pretty Woman nail polish brand. It says this brand's been known for fashion-forward colors and high-quality formulas since 2000, and this berry plum polish is so chic we can wear it everywhere. Not only does it flatter all skin tones, it's fast-drying, long-lasting, chip-resistant, oh I need that, and it's cruelty-free. I actually just painted my toes purple, but more of like a gray purple. So I've been really into the purple on the toes already. All right, next. Ooh, Marc Anthony, great brand. This is the 100% coconut oil and shea butter hydrating curl cream. Whoa. Eliminates frizz, detangles, and defines curls with extra hold and added shine with biotin. So this is actually perfect for my natural hair because I actually have naturally very curly, frizzy hair, and then I just style it and curl it to get it to look like this all the time. But this sounds so perfect for when my hair is natural and air drying. It says, all of this brand's products are tested in salons by professional stylists, so you know they work. If dry winter weather makes your curls harder to manage, this frizz-fighting, detangling, hydrating styling cream will shine your curls up and give them life in no time. Great, I need that. And then next, all right, Moods, Laura Sanchez. Oh, this packaging is so cute. Oh, beautiful shade. Let me go ahead. What? And swatch this? Okay. That is breathtaking. It swatches amazingly. That pigment is insane. It's so good. It's so bright and gorgeous. Wow, I cannot wait to try this out on my eyes and create some really cool, colorful looks with this. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow in Alien Turquoise. I have never heard of this brand, never tried anything from this brand. It says, this Colombian makeup artist was NYX Faces 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold color and self-expression. This creamy, bright blue and silver shimmer shade is a great way to liven up your looks for spring. Yeah, it is. This is going to be so fun to incorporate. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I cannot stop looking at this. It's like one of the most beautiful colors my eyes have ever seen. Okay, I should have one more product. Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, Tarte. I have not received anything from Ipsy before from the brand Tarte, so I am so excited about this. And this is actually a product that I haven't even heard of. It's Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer, which I was just saying that I love primers and I love the brand Tarte, so I'm so excited to try out a new product. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. It says this brand new primer is loaded with jojoba and grapeseed extract to moisturize and keep your skin hydrated for 12 full hours, and coconut to smooth your skin. Plus, it helps your makeup look better and last longer, and like all of Tarte's fab formulas, this one's vegan and cruelty-free. Oh my gosh, this just sounds so perfect. I'm so anxious to try this out because I have dry skin, so I have been reaching for hydrating primers as much as I can. So if this one works as well as it claims, it could be my new go-to primer. Yay! So I, of course, like always, got so many great products. So just to recap, I have the Marc Anthony Hydrating Curl Cream, the Pretty Woman Nail Polish. I got my bonus Yensa Tone Up Primer, the Laura Sanchez Moods Eyeshadow, the Jelly Pong Pong Lip Oil, and the Tarte Base Tape Primer. So I am so excited to do full reviews of all of these makeup products in upcoming videos. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can see the makeup that I try every day, because I upload a new video every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as always, I would love to know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products before, or also if you do Ipsy, let me know what you got in your bag for the month of April. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.